Joining us on The Blend this morning, we have with us attorney Bryan Waldman and Sergeant Rob Schwalm with the Michigan State Police. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
So we're going to talk about the Michigan motorcycle laws and safety tips today. Are there any legal requirements that have to be met before someone can operate a motorcycle in Michigan?
Sure. First of all, you have to have a valid driver's license. But in addition to that, to legally operate a motorcycle, a person needs to go to the Secretary of State's office and get a motorcycle endorsement by taking a written exam and also taking an on-motorcycle or riding test. Okay. And successfully completing it. And if that person is under the age of 18, so 16 or 17, they also have to take a motorcycle safety training course.
Safety is the key when you think of motorcycles. Well, actually, any vehicle on the road. How can motorcyclists be safer?
It starts with training, and I would strongly recommend everyone who rides a motorcycle attend a training program. There are a couple different ones that come to mind. The Motorcycle Safety Foundation, or MSF, offers classes that will teach you how to get on a motorcycle and start it, all the way up until get you ready to ride on the road. Another one is the Harley-Davidson has a Rider Academy. Those are both really good programs, and people can check online with their local dealerships and local colleges that offer the MSF class.
Okay. So in Michigan, we're required to insure our cars. Are there insurance requirements for motorcycles as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you have a car, it's considered a motor vehicle, and you have to buy auto insurance, which by law requires that it include Michigan no-fault coverage. A motorcycle is not considered a motor vehicle. Most people are surprised to learn under Michigan law.
Right.
So you don't need to buy the no-fault insurance, but you need to buy kind of your standard or basic insurance, which is called PLPD. Unfortunately, that means if you get in a crash with a motorcycle, you're not entitled to the Michigan no-fault benefits, which include a lifetime medical payment for anything as a result of the crash. And unless a motor vehicle is involved. If a motor vehicle is involved, you would. But there are optional coverages you can buy that include medical coverage, which is often referred to as motorcycle PIP or motorcycle no fault. For example, if you're involved in a crash like the one we were talking about in the news this morning involving a dog, or if there's one with a deer, or if a motorcyclist just loses control because of gravel, you may want that coverage, or it's a good idea to have that coverage.
Sergeant, real quick, how can people be safer on the roads with motorcycles?
Motorcyclists can be safer by, even though there's not a helmet law, I strongly recommend that motorcyclists wear helmets and protective gear, boots, jackets, pants. Cars, please give some space to the motorcycles.
Well, thank you so much for being here, guys.
Super important.
Thanks.